I was hanging with you and then I realized I didn't think it was true. I was surprised when I found out I'd fallen for you. I didn't wanna believe my feelings for you. I didn't wanna believe that I could lose you if I told you just how I felt. But I can't help it, I'm falling for you. I can't quit it, 'cause I'm stuck on you. And it might be pathetic and you might be skeptical, but I just want to be with you. Please tell me, boy, can you get a clue or come through? 'Cause I just want to be with you. I'm scared of telling you how I feel. Maybe it's better if I just try to conceal the truth for me and for you, but I'm still stuck on you. Ooh, ooh. I'm still falling for you, for you.
I can't focus on what needs to get done. I'm on notice, hoping that you don't run. You think I'm tepid, but I'm misdiagnosed. 'Cause I'm a stalker, I seen all of your posts. And I'm just tryna play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know. You make it difficult to not overthink, and when I'm with you I turn all shades of pink. I wanna touch you but don't wanna be weird. It's such a rush, I'm thinking wish you were here. And I'm just tryna play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know. But I could be a crush, like throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. Sorry. I fill my calendar with stuff I can do. Maybe if I'm busy, it could keep me from you. And I'm pretending you ain't been on my mind, but I took an interest in the things that you like. And I'm just tryna play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know. But I could be a crush, like throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my permanent vacation. Touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. Yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence, like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like.
That's what I was born to do.
And yeah, it's true that I'm a little bit intense, right? But can you blame me when you keep me on the fence, like? And I've been waiting, hoping that you'd wanna text like. Ugh. And I'm just tryna play it cool now, but that's not what I wanna do now. And I'm not tryna be with you now, you know. But I could be a crush, like throw you for a rush, like hoping you text me so I could tell you I've been thinking about your touch, like touch, 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 touch. I could be a crush, 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 crush. I got a fascination with your presentation, making me feel like you're on my island, you're my
here we go.
About not too long ago, I woke up feeling kinda blue.
So
I picked up my phone and I decided that I'd hit up you.
So then
we talked for a little while, asked me if I could roll through.
So we
met up, got food, and we spent time till the night was through.
Can I
call you my own, and can I call you my lover? Call you my one and only girl.
Can I
call you my everything? Call you my baby. You're the only one who runs my world. I remember this night we had outside on the grass, us two.
We were
gazing up at stars, we smiled as my eyes slowly turned towards you.
I knew
there was no one else I needed, and my love's never felt this way.
I wasn't
too sure if you mind. I was nervous, but I had to say,
can I
call you my own, and can I call you my lover? Call you my one and only girl.
Can I
call you my everything? Call you my baby. You're the only one who runs my world.
Sexy people in the place, you're probably snapping your fingers right about now. Listen to program. Hey, call me now, call me later, or call me whenever. Call me friend, call me lover, or call me whatever. I call you mine, no ownership implied whatsoever. I call it what it is, a natural blend together. Them other brothers like to holler forever. I holler now. How it sound to you when I'm in town, you can get it. If not, you can imagine. Enough with the rap, time for some action.
Call you my own.